Good day everyone. Welcome to ITC505 ICT Project Management Assessment number 4 Agile Project Monitoring, Control and Closure. Let me introduce my team first. Ton, Sena, Nimesh, Stuti, Sahal and myself Amila. And here is our agenda: introduction, problem and context, goals and scope, approach and timeline, stakeholders, budget and value, risk and progress, and finally the conclusion. The project is all about an innovative patient engagement and education platform called eHealth, which is in collaboration with NextGen Technology Solutions. The Western Pacific Health Organization has an outdated paper-based system, and we are trying to come up with a solution. And our solution is to develop a mobile application which offer articles, videos, infographics, and interactive modules. And when it comes to challenges, our main challenge is to replace the outdated system without disrupting any services. And furthermore, we would love to ensure the patient data security.
In the project charter, the goal section defines what the project must achieve. Three critical dimensions are on time, on budget, adoption. On time means the project milestones and final deliverables must be completed by the agreed deadline to avoid schedule slippage. On budget means the project must stay within the allocated financial resources, cost overruns must be avoided. Adoption means the output of the project must be accepted and used by end users or stakeholders, ensuring the solution is adopted, not just delivered. The scope defines the boundaries: what work is included, what is excluded, and which deliverables are required so that achieving those goals is feasible. In short, we commit to delivering the required scope within schedule and budget and ensure the result is adopted effectively by stakeholders.
Hi, my name is Sena, and our project approach is based on Agile with a 12-week timeline divided into weekly sprints. Each sprint includes planning, execution, and review, ensuring flexibility and continuous improvement. The work breakdown structure organizes tasks into phases. Early weeks focus on project charter and stakeholder engagement. The middle phase on development, budgeting, and risk management. And the later weeks on control, cost control, uncertainty management, and preparing the showcase video. This structured yet flexible timeline allows us to stay on track, manage risks, and deliver outcomes that align with stakeholder expectations.
Hello everyone, I am Sahal Chowdhury. Today I am going to talk about our stakeholders. Stakeholders are central to this project. We identified 5 key figures. Internally, Bruce McKenzie, the CEO, and Mohit Maranjan, our Agile project manager. Both have high influence in steering and decision and Agile processes. Rosie Shrestha, the development leads, drive sprint planning and backlog grooming. Externally, we have Amila Dangol, the health innovation leads in our most critical partner, shaping requirements and approving changes. While Dr. Dinesh Shrestha and Chief Medical Advisor validates all medical content to keep them engaged, we apply strategies like executive reports, sprint review, and workshops, ensuring every stakeholder is informed and aligned. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tom. I will go with the budget and value part. Our cost by line is 1.5 million with the calculation from the BAC, the budget at completion from $1.3 million plus with the cost of management reverse $200,000 and how it held outside performance until release. The main cost driver is the software development with roughly $660,000 and the cost of testing system, project management making up the rest. On the value, we're using for up 10% discount rate and 5-year benefits. The platform NBV, the net present value is 2,000, roughly 2,005 hundred and 500, 2,500, and with the annual inflow of $450,000 and payback 3.3 years, and under the conversated case of $350 inflow, the NBV is minus 1,073 $100,073 and payback in 4.3 years. The decision was we will proceed, but the value depending on adoption. And for the mitigation, we will lock the scope, protect the reserves, and focus on boarding communication to hit the higher benefit part.
Hi, my name is Nimesh Dangol and I'm talking about risks and progress on this slide. So talking about quick status from EVM and the rate log after removing management reserve from PV as it sits outside the PMB. Our PV is 1.3 million AUD and EV is also 1.3 million AUD and AC is 1.035 million AUD. That gives SP equals to 0 and SPI equals to 1.0. So schedule on track. Cost is favorable. CB equals to plus 265k AUD and CBI equals to 1.26 driven by effective and test throughput. So talking about top risks and mitigation, first point is scope script from late future arcs mitigation, which is change control with impact snapshots and a hard 2-day SLA. And the second point is stakeholder adaptation risk mitigation, early onboard and comms plan. And third point is resources contingent in Q3 mitigation, lock sprint capacity and secure backfill options. On the change request to being patient engagement and education to in Q3 2026 approved conditionally pending a fast impact assessment on network part resourcing and risks. Only release MR if scope truly expands and then update PBEB profiles. Thank you.
I am back again to conclude. We have built solid foundation in stakeholders management, budgeting and risk planning. Next, we will deliver our showcase video and final reports. Moving forward, we plan to improve feedback loops and automated dashboards and make changes control even more flexible for smoother delivery. That's all from our side. Thank you for watching.